Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Niko Wijaya, and in this video, I wanna explain about error analysis. In this book, it is discuss of error analysis, which can be trusted as a very valuable source of information for teachers. The existence of information about student errors that can help teacher correct student errors and can also increase their effectiveness in learning process. And definition of error analysis by Corder 1974 is that what has come to be known as error analysis has to do with the investigation of the language of second language and, of second language learner. After that, there is an opinion according to Lim 1976, which states one of the main purpose of error analysis is to help the teacher make further assessment. Accurate repair work is needed for English as a second language or ESL. From the two definitions, this study analyzes student errors. It is appropriate to define what is meant by error. Teachers need to guide learners to realize language errors and at the same time guide them to correct language mistake they make with the step. Learners will feel comfortable because they are not under psychological pressure, aka anxiety makes mistakes. There is an explanation that strengthens this difference because according to Norris 1983, there is a clear difference between error and error. He described error as a semantic deviation when students didn't learn something and were consistently wrong. He adds some that when a learner of English second language or foreign language makes mistakes systematically, it is because he has not learned to correct from worries, define errors as inconsistent deviation. When a learner has been told certain correct from and he used one from sometime and the other inconsistently, the deviation is called error. In learner foreign language, making mistake is something we often encounter, especially in writing. This is due to different students' mother tongue, which make it difficult for students to be given instruction to write in English sentence. In this case, it is helpful to difference between mistake and mistake, as we know error are mistake made by students because students do not clearly know language. They ask linguistically. On the other hand, errors are caused by student achievement factor, namely the inability of students to remember something. This causes students to make pronunciation error, use grammar, misheard, and so on. Mistakes usually occur over a long period of time because students do not know that they made a mistake, so the teacher must correct it so they can realize it. On the other hand, mistake will usually be notified by the culprit themselves. Since they know the mistake they made, they will immediately notice but of these things, but cause students to make a deviation in learning foreign language. And sekian rangkuman ini. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.